fellow Toastmasters, honored guests, you know who I am. I'm trying to get to level 5. And as you get to levels 4, Toastmasters gets more challenging. You have to do more leadership work, not just speeches, but speeches with projects. And you also have to get people involved to help you. As for my next project, and you may remember that I did the YouTube labeling project. Glad that that got done. Now I'm doing a new project. And the first step is to do a workshop to teach people how to do creative writing. And why did I pick this? Well, for one thing, I think it's great to know how to do creative writing. It's been a resource for me, and it also is a resource for other people as well. I can tell from a lot of the videos I've watched on Carolwood Toastmasters YouTube website, many of the videos require creativity to make them, to write them, and to design them. And I know that it's not an easy thing to figure out how to be creative, and nobody knows all the ways to be creative. But I'm giving you a little gift, my way to be creative, and I hope that you may be inspired by it and get some tips, and it'll be a fun and I hope it is a fun and educational process. So to give you a preview of what I'll be doing, it'll be on Saturday, March 26th. It'll be at 12:30 p.m. and we'll reserve the room until 2:30 p.m. It'll probably take 60 to 75 minutes, but I just leave a little extra time just in case people want to hang out and chat and ask questions. And then after the session, we'll go to Glory Days. So what is this whole creative writing session about? Creative writing. What is that? Well, from my perspective, it's the idea that you have to clear your mind and then think about what one thing that you want to write about. What's that one thing that's important for you to express to your community, to your fellow Toastmasters? And perhaps somebody that you didn't even know was watching. What do you want to communicate? Think about it. I remember I saw some of our Carolwood fellow Toastmaster videos from Carolwood. We had stories of being a kid and being really frustrated with wanting ice cream. I never thought of such a video, but I'm glad someone else did because it was fun. Oh yeah. And I also appreciate the video, the speech about the weight gain clinic. I mean, So many weight loss clinics, including one that I signed up for. What about if I lose so much weight, I need to gain my weight back? Well, thank goodness somebody came up with a weight gain clinic. So now if I need to gain my weight back, I'll know where to go. And of course, we are better together. So why not collaborate and take a little time on the Saturday, March 22nd, oops, I mean 26th, at 12:30 p.m. at our favorite place, the Jimmy B. Keel Library, and come for creative writing workshop. And don't forget, after the workshop, it's glory days. Yeah! We can go hang out and drink some beer and watch sports and maybe get ice cream. Yeah, ice cream. Ah. Regardless, we'll have fun. Let's make it a great Saturday on March 26, 12:30 p.m. Be there.